Want a cleaner Webflow project? Here are 3 ways to do it. Finsweet Extension is used by more than 30,000 developers in Webflow. Let's start with removing duplicate styles. With this feature, you can scan your Webflow project to find classes that contain the same style and replace them. For example, sometimes you have duplicate classes like text color black, 2, 3, and copy. You can quickly fix that by replacing them all with a single class from the list, like text color black. This is great for keeping your project organized, reducing the CSS file size, and making it easier to maintain. Next, remove style properties. Sometimes you want to clean up all the styles of a class only in a specific breakpoint like mobile, or only in a specific state like hover. This feature is great to do that. Keep the breakpoint and states you want, and remove styles. Done. And finally, organizing class folders. With folders, you can visualize all classes used in your project grouped by folders. Every time you use an underscore in your class names, we detect it as a new folder. This way, your classes are organized by function or component, helping keep your project clean and easy to maintain. For example, here we can see a team page folder. In this folder, we have the team slider component, team testimonials, and other classes created specifically for this page. The folder concept comes from the client-first methodology, the most widely used framework for building websites in Webflow. Check out the full documentation in the links below. And that's it, a cleaner, more organized Webflow project. Happy building! Finsweet Extension is free for most features. Some premium features, indicated by this lock icon, are free to use until you reach the limit of 10 uses per month. Go to Apps and install the new Finsweet Extension. We're just getting started. What features do you want in your workflow? We're building them as fast as the Webflow API lets us. Drop your ideas in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.